Pixellate filter can be found here on the filters, stylized, and pixellate. So let's add that on our image. I have prepared an image and a text. The pixellate filter contains these parameters that we can adjust. The center, which is composed of the X and Y, scale, and mix. Center, it just moves your pixellate filter from the X and Y position. For example, using the X, using the Y. So let's reset that. The scale controls how big or how small the pixellate will be. For example, the higher the number, the bigger the pixels. If you crank it up, the scale, you will have big blocks of pixels. Mix is just like a turn on and turn off. Publish OSC is mostly available if you click this one in FCP. Let's look at the pixellate filter on a text. Let's add a pixellate filter on our text. So filters, stylize, pixellate. We have the same parameters. I usually add the pixellate filter on my group because it's much more convenient for me. After that, I also select this, check this fixed resolution. You can adjust this pixellate filter with the scale also, of course, and the X and Y.